So I said I was going back to Unity and that I was done with Unreal Engine. Yes, that's true. I just got tired of the Unreal Engine issues. For some reason, once I upgraded to a newer version of Unreal Engine, it just got a quality downgrade. It ruined everything. It ruined how the game was starting to look. And the blueprints, they just, they're not for me. Took me about a week to bring all my 3D models back and forth, about 2 hours a day. Past couple of days, I started working on something real cool that I'm about to show you. Okay, so, my 3D models, I just brought them over, textured them again, connected all the textures, and I just made a little garage. Well, I learned to make the menu with coding and this and that, and this is really cool. Let's say you have a laptop that's not that strong. Well, just lower down the render. Actually, this is a render scale, and I forgot to change the anti-aliasing. I could not get the code for anti-aliasing to work. It's just so I ended up making a render scale after all, which worked out way better. Um, let's say once again you have a weak computer, a weak laptop, you turn off the shadows, or or turn them back on, but reduce the reflections. So what I did is in this whole room, I just created one giant reflection probe, which I've done in the past, and I remember about that. And that's how nice it becomes. Look at the reflections over there. See? Look at that. Super nice. It's not quite ray tracing, but it does the job. Let me go back over here, and you press start, nothing happens. Um, you press load, and now you have this little car. So I tried making gears and this and that with the sound, but it didn't really work out for the moment. But it makes a noise when you go forward, but then it stops immediately. I'm trying to make it fade in, I mean fade out, you know, the same thing with pressing the brake. Of course, I had to get a sound editor so I could make the brake sound longer. And I press R and it flips back over. I called it a recovery code. Um, I don't quite make all the codes by myself. I do it through Copilot, and from there I edit what needs to be edited since I was learning coding as well. You press H, and then I just realized these sounds are really loud. I need to lower them down, and then press B. You press down, press the brake. That's that's so loud. I didn't even I didn't even know it was that loud. But yeah, that's crazy. That's Oh yeah, I put a collider on this. So I guess when I make a demo or whatever, I'm gonna have to take off this H on this this, you know what it is. Uh, because I don't want to get copyrighted or anything like that. Um, but this the acceleration sound is just one main file that goes it revs all the way up to the VTEC and all that. But I tried doing gears and for some I couldn't I figure it out. I got confused. Yeah, I was working with Copilot, but I guess I was really close to figuring out how to do it, but I just didn't want to over be overwhelmed with everything. But listen to this all the way to the end, and then I like to press the nitrous as it starts hitting that VTEC right here. Whoop, press R. Like I said, it's just one big audio file. It's not me shifting or anything like that. It's just longer I hold it, the more intense it gets. Eh, I can't wait till I make it work. So that's it for now. Just stay tuned and I'll just add little by little something here and there and figure things out along the way. To me, Unity is way better than Unreal. It's just Unity was waiting right there with with its arms to give me comfort, and I went back.